Hello, it's Ms. Nicole from the South Fayette and Bridgeville Libraries, and I'm here today to give you another kindergarten readiness tip. Today we're going to talk all about clocks. When you get to kindergarten, you need to know a little bit about clocks. There are all kinds of clocks, different types of clocks. This one is a digital clock where you see numbers and dots and numbers. You might see these all around your house, on your stove, on your microwave, on your TV, on your parents' phone and their watch. So the numbers show the hour of the day, and then you have the dots to separate the minutes. So this is a digital clock. Now here we have your old-fashioned analog clock, or classic clock they're called. I also have a lot of these in my house. And you could see the numbers going around the clock, 1 all the way to 12. And my clock has 2 hands, or they look like arms. Again, 1 tells the hour and 1 tells the minute, just like we had hour and minute on our digital. Sometimes the clocks have a 3rd arm, and that's called the second hand. Let's get this going. These are Roman numerals, so they look a little different, but you can see 1, 2, 3, goes all the way to 12. Well, here's that 3rd hand, the second hand, pointing to each little second all the way around the clock. When it gets from the start at 12 all the way back up to 12, you have another minute. So this long minute hand will move over one little space. You also have 60 minutes to be 1 hour. So here I am at 1 o'clock. My minute hand is up top, so it's pointing to o'clock, 0, 0. And my hour hand is pointing to the number 1, so it's 1 o'clock. But when I move my minute hand all the way around, I'm back on top. And it's o'clock again. It moved to 2 o'clock, the hour. So we have the small hour hand and we have the long minute hand. And the reason it goes to 12 is because there are 12 hours of the AM, the day, and 12 hours of the PM. And 12 plus 12 is 24, and 24 hours are in one day. So you might be getting ready to leave school around 2 o'clock. And watch as the minute hand goes again. I'm going halfway past the hour. You might hear people say 2:30. And now I'm coming back up to a brand new hour on top, o'clock. Now I'm at 3 o'clock. So we've got digital clocks, we've got your classic analog clocks, we've got a second hand that goes around 60 seconds to get 1 minute. We have a minute hand, the longer one. When it's on top, it's o'clock. And we have an hour hand that points to the hour that it is. This is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So it is PM. Afternoon is usually when you say 3 p.m. in the afternoon. But if it was 3 a.m., it would be dark out and we would all be sleeping. 3 a.m. So the hour hand is going to hit each one of these numbers 2 times in one day. We've got the morning AM and we have the afternoon PM. So explore with some clocks at your house. Take a look at them. Ask your grown-ups what they mean so that when you get to kindergarten, you will be ready to start telling time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.